Hi everyone, it's really a pleasure to find you again with a beautiful weather outside to make a review of the new Philips LED. That's the X-treme Ultinon LED, new generation. That's a P21 5 watt, so it's a double intensity bulb. We will try those LEDs on my Peugeot 206cc. They are supposed to give a brighter and vibrant signals, and as a consequence more security on the road. So let's see together if it's really worth it to spend about 20 to 25 euros with those LEDs. You can find here the night position, both on the left and on the right. I'm going inside the car to brake just to see the difference between the night light and the brake light. That's the LED. It looks like a good quality LED. It's composed of two sides with 3 LED on both sides, double intensity, P21 5 watt. So, well, on the left that's the original incandescent bulb, and on the right that's the Philips LED. You can see that the red is more intense than on the left with the original bulb. You can really see a difference. Well, we are going to check now the brake light, just to check if the LED gives better intensity than the halogen bulb. I think it could be interesting. On the left you will have the halogen bulb, and on the right you will have the Philips LED bulb. As you can see, the intensity of the bulb is much better with the LED on both sides, here on the left and on the right. I put the two LEDs on the car. So actually, I like it. You just need to respect people behind you, so the intensity of the bulb is not aggressive. So I think it's good.